Hello, it's Sydney. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming another hair video. I'm going to get my hair done again with my hairdresser Annette, and we are going to be doing something new. Of course, what's new with me? I'm always doing something new, but of course I think that it's so fun to turn this little thing into like a series where I do it every time. So we are going to be recording it and showing you what we do. So I'm leaving right now. All right, Annette and I are back.
Yeah, it's time to take out the rose gold and go back and make her as blonde as possible.
And we're going to do blunt cut, blunt bangs.
Stay tuned.
Okay, so now what are we doing?
All right, we're going to go in and lift her roots. And we're actually going to use something new, which is a Bond 3 to help keep her hair together during this process. So as of right now, I'm just doing one formula on her roots, and then we'll go back in with another formula to lift out the rest of the rose gold. Sunday.
I'll just speed this part up a little.
All right.
Oh my gosh, really?
See, you make me.
Okay, so now I'm sitting under the dryer for 20 minutes, and then Annette is gonna come and put on another formula.
Which the dryer is not recommended, but we're going to do it.
Okay, so now my roots look like this after being under the dryer for 20 minutes, and now
we've mixed the lower developer and some blonder, and we're going to put it on her mid-shaft to ends. And remember, this is definitely not recommended to go under the dryer or to do it by yourself at home. Definitely stick to a professional.
Yeah, go to Annette. She knows what she's doing.
We don't want to see any hair falling on the floor. So we're just gonna go in and apply this to the rest of the hair to get out the rest of the rose gold, which will come out fairly easy considering she was fairly light to begin with.
Okay, now I'll just put this on fast forward. What volume developer is it?
4%.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, but it's pretty much not. Almost like nothing, because when you put in the Bond 3,
yeah,
it even lowers your developer lower.
So now my hair is getting pretty light. So now what?
Now we're just continuing trying to work out the rest of the rose gold, and then we're going to go in and tone it and see what color we get.
But it's lifted pretty well since when we first put that bleach on.
Yeah, it was quite the process, and now it's just a matter of watching it until it gets to the right tone. So definitely don't leave it on and walk away.
Yeah, keep massaging it in to make sure you also get all parts of the hair too. Okay, so now
we're just washing it with some purple shampoo, trying to get out some of the yellow tint before we go in and tone.
And what are we toning with?
We're actually going to be toning with Kenra 10V and a little bit of clear.
All right.
All right.
This is what my hair looks like right now.
Like this.
It looks cool though.
Okay, so like I see you like a certain way and somebody else sees you a certain way, but like because that's how we see.
All right, well, how do you see me?
So now Annette put the toner in, and it has to sit for probably 15 minutes, but you want to periodically check to make sure that it doesn't develop or it doesn't tone over.
Yeah,
Overdevelop. So now my hair got pretty light. See? It got nice and light.
All right.
Now we're brushing it out.
I'm like, oh yeah, now we're brushing it out. And now we're getting ready to cut it into a blunt cut, and we're actually going to cut it with the clippers today.
Yeah,
so that would be pretty exciting.
That way we can get it super blunt, like a line.
Yes.
So we just did the bangs. We cut them a few times because my eyebrows are dark so you could see right through them. And so now we're going to be doing a blunt cut right above the shoulders. Okay, now.
Oh, here's our final product. This is a blunt cut.
Okay, now you can do
To
it.
a Snow White.
It looks so good.
Yay.
Okay,
So that's it for the Snow White, and we'll see what she decides to do next time. And remember, the camera adds 10 pounds.
oh my god. She always looks good, don't listen to her. Alright, bye.